going to our fancy showroom and showing you how we build our showers, we decided to show you the quality and the time and the amount of money we put into materials to make the best shower in the world. We truly guarantee we build the best shower in the world, from better quality materials, more time spent on it, and a beautiful product that you're going to get love. So we're going to show you how that's done here at the factory. The real big secret to our pans is a thick pan floor. These floors are solid. It's not like these hollow shower pans that you put on the floor. This is solid, so when you put our shower pan down, it's going to be solid to the floor. There's going to be no gaps, no air, no place for your pan to crack. So this is the foundation of our shower, and this is where we put a lot of money into it. It's real expensive to make this thick of a floor, but this is how it starts. So after we make a solid floor that has a slope, then we put a metal flange into it. We cut out a line in it, and we put a metal flange. We glue that into the base. And after we have this done, secured, then we come over here and we lay our hand-laid mosaics on top of it. So then she's gluing the mosaics onto the pan floor. Before this, we put the threshold, a real, again, solid stone threshold, and then the hand-laid mosaic. So you get this beautiful, solid floor that's not going to break with a solid metal flange all the way around it. So here's how we're pouring our walls. Again, we have our molds for different patterns and different colors, but we make a different quarter wall, level it out. So we make a beautiful stone fabricated walls like this, towards the side for wall production. In this department, we make the thick casings and the threshold. Again, that's what stands our shower apart from the others, is again, good, thick, quality shower casings and threshold. In this department, we use our mosaics. We do hand-laid mosaics to the liners. That way you get that matching trim for the shower pan. But again, a lot of time, labor involved with the beautiful liner. In this department, we do all the accessories. We do all the other stuff, like the soap tray, the shelf, the shampoo boxes, the grab bars, the handicap benches. So all that's done in this department. Again, it all matches the stone wall, the set, saving time for your contractor to install it quickly. This is the final inspection area for the walls and accessories. Make sure the lines match, the custom-made casings are all there, the matching shelves, the bench, all that matches, the liners are all matched up. So this is the final inspection for the wall. So before it goes to you, we inspect it and wrap it up. Before we put the protective coating on it, the wall inspection.